for a long time. If you keep vegetables under the pyramid, experiment it at home, and you will find that the vegetables remain fresh for more days. Ordinarily, if they are keeping fresh for 1 day or 2 days, or by keeping in the refrigerator, if you are keeping for 3, 4 days or 5 days, under pyramid it will be more days. Fruits also, try it. They will remain fresh and taste will be better. Taste will change to become better. Milk. If you keep the milk overnight, what happens? Next day it is useless. Converted into something else. If you keep it in a pyramid, it will remain fresh. So many people, when they buy a refrigerator, they get one pyramid to keep on the refrigerator. Whole refrigerator is covered by the pyramid. So all items remaining in the refrigerator will remain fresh for long, long time. Secondly, many people keep a pyramid on the earthen pot. So you have to keep some sheets. So the power will remain as it is. So plastic sheets or something. Or cloth pieces. Or wooden piece. It absorbs more water in anything. Vegetables, fruits, water is there. It absorbs the water in such a way that it remains fresh, fine, and the water goes out. It does not allow destruction of any item. So every item is self-destructing. Just as you heard about the body, human body to be kept for years together. If you keep a body ordinarily for 2-3 days, what happens you know. And after 7 days, what will happen, nobody knows. It gives you one-pointedness, more of one-pointedness. The one-pointedness which is there at the top, that gives you one-pointedness. It helps you in self-development and progress in life. Keep it on the head. Many people, while reading books or doing homework, etc., or writing accounts, they keep the pyramid on the head. They prepare such pyramid which will fit up their head. It gives you better nourishment. It also protects you from viruses and evil bacteria creating diseases. Nowadays viruses are too many in the city of Bombay. And the trouble created in Japan, who knows where the trouble will be created next. It removes impure items in the atmosphere. And pyramid powers are eternal, therefore they never get destroyed and they never get exhausted. Now how to prepare pyramid water? You will have to buy a larger pyramid than this for pyramid water. Or with this you can prepare only in a bottle, by keeping the pyramid at the top of the bottom. But if you have a larger pyramid, bigger pyramid, then you can put some utensils or earthen pot under the pyramid and the water will be ready. 12 hours minimum. 24 hours better. And keep it continuously. Keep the water which is boiled and cleaned. Don't use direct tap water. Tap water may be collected, boiled, cooled, and then filtered, and after that put under the pyramid. Then the water will be very clean. Because when you say that you get the powers from pyramid, the bacteria which are there in the water will also get the power. They will also grow. So we don't want those bacteria for our body. So you should have proper water for preparing pyramids, as I told you. Boil it, cool it, filter it, and then keep it. And one end of the pyramid should be on the north, always. The vessel in which you keep the water should be either glass or plastic or earth, or metal can be used as an exception only, copper. Copper water can be used, but not the copper and the pyramid together. Around the place where you prepare the water, up to 10 feet, there will be no television, no radio, no refrigerator, no mobile. Not even computer. Don't keep the pyramids or the vessel or the utensil on the metallic table or metallic shelf. Don't keep it in the cupboard which are of metal. Water will start preparing after 2 hours. But up to when you keep it for 12 hours, full powers will be available to you. When you use the pyramid water for cold or for skin diseases, make it little warm and use it better. Older the water, better it is. Not necessary that you should have fresh water every day. If the pyramid water is available in balance after using it, then keep it intact, totally closed, so that other powers don't enter into it. If you want to use it for farming, then also it can be used, this water. In that case, you have to prepare the water for 12 hours to 1 month. You can keep the pyramid on the water up to 5 days also, no problem. Or continuously also. In the morning, when you get up, before you clean your teeth, take pyramid water up to 1 liter if you can. If you cannot, take it little by little, more and more. You may begin with half a glass and go on increasing 1 spoon every day. So 1 liter should not be taken on 1 day only. It can be taken gradually, increasing it, so that you reach 1 liter slowly and slowly, and many of your internal diseases from the stomach will go out. So most of the diseases are created either in the stomach or in the brain. Your mind keeps you well. Your thoughts keep you well. Same way your food keeps you well. In the evening, before meals, if you take pyramid water before 2 hours, better. If by mistake you have kept the pyramid water in open without keeping intact, don't use it. Throw it away. Because other bacteria also will be going inside and getting powers. You may warm the pyramid water and then use it only when it becomes cool. And if the water is less and if you want more water, add ordinary pure water to the pyramid water and use it. If you have burns or any injury and the blood is coming out or any trouble is there, then apply the pyramid water. Just put it there by a gauge. You can use pyramid water for taking bath also. You can use pyramid water for putting drops in the eyes as well as in the ears. You can put pyramid water in the bucket in which the water is available for taking bath, mix it and then take the bath. You can keep a massage of the water, pyramid water also, wherever the pain is there or skin disease is there. You can give enema in case of intestinal diseases or constipation. Note the timing when you started preparing the water, and remove the pyramid only after 12 hours, not earlier. If it is more time, no trouble. If there is too much pain or too much trouble, then you can use 91 pyramids at a time. After using pyramid water, if you have to go for passing urine several times, don't worry. It's not a disease. The waste is being thrown out. If you get diarrhea or anything, don't worry. Secondly, don't expect the disease to be cured within short time. It will take its own time. It's not like a tablet where the results come up sometimes very fast, like Aspro or Aracin. The diseases which can be cured by pyramid water are headache, high blood pressure, low blood pressure, total weakness in the body, rheumatism, paralysis, eyes trouble, diabetics, piles, pain in waist, constipation, diarrhea, acidity, urine trouble, kidney troubles, swelling in the brain, brain tumor, tuberculosis, heart trouble, blockage in the heart, swelling in the breathing system, coughing, weak nerves, weak memory, or trouble with the nerves resulting into madness, skin disease, eczema, then overweight, asthma, stomach troubles, abdomen troubles, cancer, burns, injuries, blood flowing out that can be stopped, insomnia, psoriasis, etc. Now suppose psoriasis is there, when the sketching is there on the whole body, how should you begin? Begin from top to bottom. When more parts are to be treated, then begin with the top. And if you treat the brain in every case better, brain and heart, because the central government of the human body is lying in the brain. Your whole body is controlled by your brain and your thoughts. And your mind is directing the brain and the thoughts to do things as it desires. All your desires are also creating problems. Heart is the state government of the body. Blood and the blood cells which are created in the heart, they make your body function well. And heart is also very important part. Brain gives you thought, heart gives you love, affection, emotions, all that come up. So heart also should be treated. So I would say, in each and every case, treat the brain, treat the heart, and the parts affected. So when the blood cells are treated in the heart, they will carry the message to the whole body. And why the trouble is there in the body? Because your blood cells are unable to face the bacteria which are there in the body, which are there out of your food, or maybe some injury, or maybe some other trouble. Maybe your breathing, maybe even your water, maybe anything. So those cells are to be purified, to be made more stronger. And your army is that of white blood cells. If your white blood cells are powerful, and red cells are also able to absorb all the diseases, all that, and fight them out, no trouble. And you will be cured. Now we have a center at Kama Hall where treatment is given to patients from 5 to 6 every Friday. Free of charge. No charges are there. Any disease. Center is running for nearly 34 years. I have been practicing this science for last 46 years in Bombay, 1964 onwards. I have trained more than 6,000 people so far, and many more are coming up. So if any patients are there to be treated, you can bring them at Kama Hall, 4th floor, opposite Lion Gate, at the corner of what is that road? Sahid Bhagat Singh Road, Kalagoda. Every Friday 5 p.m. No charges. Our second center is there in the suburbs, Andheri. Pushpa Kunj, Pushpa Clinic, 46, Javeri Building, Old Nagardas Road, Andheri East. No charges. Treatment is given on every Saturday, 4:30 p.m.
Friday,
Friday 5 p.m.